Hi, and welcome back to my channel. On Mondays, we talk money and marketing, and today I am going to be talking about video. So, how to market yourself in video so you can make money. Basically, video is one of the things that a lot of my clients find the scariest because you're putting yourself out there. It's usually, I'm talking about video to your face, and content seems to be the biggest problem. So, what should they be posting? Now, as you can see, I'm doing this outside, so it's actually lovely in Ireland at the minute, so I thought I'd do it outside, but there might be a bit of noise, so hopefully that's not too distracting for you. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on video, what you can actually post, and this is something you can do today. You literally can go and action it today. So if you're struggling with content, what to post when it comes to video, that type of thing, this video is for you, and it's 3 really, really simple tips. The first thing is the mundane. So what are you doing in your business every day that might seem mundane to you or boring to you, but actually to other people, they might be interested in it. So, how do you get up in the morning? What's the first thing you do when you get into your office? Or if you work from home, wherever you're working from, if you work in the garden, wherever you're working from. How do you do your to-do list? How do you get ready for meeting clients? How do you get ready for producing your product? Recording those types of things, talking through them, letting people see how you work behind the scenes can be quite an effective video. And it's funny, the more mundane things that I do and show people, it's actually the stuff that they're really interested in, funnily enough. Number 2 is adding value or educating. So if you are adding value to the person watching the video, they're going to want to watch more, and they're going to see you as an expert in your area and want to hire you based on what you're talking about. So ways you can add value, you can do how-tos, tutorials, step-by-steps of using like your product or your service or whatever. But things that, and people say, oh, I don't know how to do that. I don't know what I would say. Like I was literally talking to a painter last week who was telling me painting techniques, and I was like, that's a video right there. The stuff that you think everyone knows, but actually you're an expert in that area. And it doesn't have to be rocket science stuff, just simple to doable stuff that people can do. They can watch the video, take it away and go, I can actually do this. So what kind of tutorials could you do? What kind of how-tos could you do? What advice could you give to people that they would find of value and that you find easy to give and that is on brand for you? So that's the mundane. That's the how-tos, the tutorials. And then as well, you could do, the third thing is bloopers or real life stuff that's going on. So when you are doing these videos, there's going to be lots of stops and starts, I'm sure, and lots of tries. Even recording those bloopers and putting them all in one, or just little bits of bloopers, can be a great way to get people to know, like, and trust you and realize you're a real person behind your business, brand, whatever. So showing those things can be fun. So there's 3 easy to do, great ideas that you can literally do now. Remember, they don't have to be hours long. They don't have to be really technical. In fact, sometimes the shorter and less technical, the more doable for your clients, for your customers, for your viewers, the better. So I hope this helps you today. Do not be afraid of video. Do it. If it's no good, that's fine. If you make mistakes, that's fine. If it's shaky, that's fine. If the sound isn't great, that's okay, because done is better than perfect. So I would prefer to see some not so great videos up there, and you getting better as you go, because that's the only way you can get better. My first video was god awful. Don't even ever want to see it again. My 3rd video was a bit better. My 53rd video was a lot better. And I do them every single Friday and have done that for over 4 years. There's rarely a Friday I'd miss, apart from if there's a funeral or something like that. I'm there showing up and I get clients out of that and I make money out of that. So start your video today, start your video marketing today, and start making money out of it. I would love to help you guys. Please ask any questions in the comments. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you back here. I post on YouTube on Mondays and Fridays. If there's anything specifically you'd like me to post about, please comment below. Happy Monday.